Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, mount the phone, grant camera, and mic access, and open the 360 Photo Booth app. Make sure the device is stable and level so frames align later. This reduces stitching errors. Select your resolution. Higher quality increases processing time, but yields cleaner panoramas. Once the app is ready, choose 360 mode and test a quick spin to confirm rotation and permissions work. Do this immediately, so you avoid redoing captures and save time in the middle of the shoot. You control the capture. Lock exposure and white balance first so each frame matches. Inconsistent settings cause visible seams. Choose continuous capture for smooth spins or set timed intervals if you need pauses. Aim for about 25% to 30% overlap between frames for reliable stitching. While shooting, monitor the live preview and tweak lighting or angles to avoid hotspots. If people move, pause, or retake, motion creates ghosts. Once a pass looks consistent, save it and prepare the next angle or bracket if required. You finish by stitching and exporting. Run the app stitcher for quick results or export RAW frames to desktop software for finer control. Choose an equirectangular 2, one export for viewers, and pick resolution based on use. 8K for immersive, 4K for social. Make sure to review seams and color shifts. If you see misalignment, check overlap, exposure differences, or lens calibration and retake the problematic pass. As a quick fix, adjust exposure curves and restitch. This often removes visible seams without a full reshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.